For the second part of my I got into colleges, now which one do I pick series, I want to talk about social fit. So, a student is never just a learning robot. The college campus, presuming you want to go to a campus and not just learn online, is a place where a student is supposed to be engaging with the campus in other ways outside of just the classroom. There are some great questions you can ask yourself. Do students stay on campus or go home on the weekend? Do most students live on campus? Do you want to live on campus? Is it in a city or town that has activities that are appealing to you? Maybe you want to have access to museums and movie theaters. Maybe you want to have access to the great outdoors. Does the school have a big sports culture? Do people go to the games or do they kind of forget that there's athletics at the school? Do you want to join a fraternity or a sorority or other social clubs? Not every school has those. Would a huge presence of fraternities or sororities on campus be unappealing to you? Another great way to know if you feel like you're going to fit in on campus is go to an admitted students day and then look at the other students and say, do I think I'm going to fit in with these people? Because those are your potential classmates for the future. These aren't all the ways to determine social fit, but they're a good place to start.